Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick little video about making a couple of changes in a CSV or Excel file. I was finding that when I was looking to try to change or move some of my emails and names over to a new email service, that sometimes the CSV files would uh, download and would have the first and last name all together, and I wanted to be able to separate out the first and last name and put them in a CSV file. And I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you what I found real quick. And hopefully this will help you be able to do it quickly as well too. And so just so you know, these names are just fake names. And so nobody needs to worry about me sharing email addresses. So what you do is you look to right click on the column, the second column that has the email, because here this column, the name, has the first and last name in it, and the second column has the email. And you click on or go right to that area where the B column is, right click it and say insert, okay? And then give yourself just a little bit of some room and move over these a little bit on the A column as well as on the B column. And you then click on the A column and you go to data and you go to text to columns. And then you want to make sure that says delimited and then click next. And then it will usually have just the tab selected. So then you would click on the space and then click next and then click finish. Now you'll have the first and last name separated out. And so you can make a little change here and call this first name. And then this one you can say last name. And then you can look to save this as a CSV file and go to, so on here you would go CSV and you can name it whatever you want to name it and click save. And now you'll be able to upload this to another email service and it'll have the first and last name separated out. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hope it helps.